Hey, what's good, YouTube? Anthony Lyons, AL Designs, another video. We got here a 2004 Dodge Ram 2500. I've already put 4 speakers in here, amplifier. Now he wants a little bass. So this video is going to be about some good old fiberglass and how I do fiberglass work for this Dodge Ram. So there's compartments here, as you can see. The plan is to remove half of it, and the 10-inch subwoofer is going to go right in here. It's going to be a 10-inch shallow Diamond Audio subwoofer along with a Diamond Audio amp. The 4-channel amp is already in place here with all the speakers in place. We have a new deck that I put in a few weeks ago, and the customer wants some bass. So this video is going to be all about fiberglass, bass, and me figuring out what we're going to do to get this sounding real good. So stay tuned. All right, so at this stage now we've got the trim of the box is in place, and then the fiberglass itself is all fiberglassed in. There's a few layers, say approximately about 5 layers now. I'll probably add 3 to 4 more layers. It's just a tedious process, but hey, this is the only way to get the airspace needed in these trucks. It's the best way to do it. Other audio installers can tell you that this is really the only way to get true airspace you need for these subwoofers to make it sound good. So of course, laying down the fiberglass is a little messy, but if done right, it comes out really well. Again, I got five layers. They say 5 layers is equivalent to 3/4 inch wood. I use 3/4 inch birch around the trim there, and then there's a top that will go on top with the, well, basically the baffle for the 10-inch woofer. There'll be a little design on there as well, a little surprise for the owner. So stay tuned for more footage of the fiberglass blocks in the Dodge Ram. Stay tuned. And it's a wrap. All done. The fiberglass box in the Dodge Ram. As you can tell by all the pictures, again, it's a tedious job with the fiberglass, but this is the only way to get the airspace. Everything fits real well. I got the molded ring, give it a little bit of touch, added touch. Tried to get an emblem in there, but ordered it. It's back ordered, be here. I'll do some more pictures of it later when it comes in. But again, click like, subscribe, AL Designs. Stay tuned for the next project. I'm out.